Hello, and welcome to BrushMyQuant channel. If you want to increase your knowledge of maths and wish to receive regular updates from us, then consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon to the right bottom of the screen. So let's get started with today's topic of a problem on arithmetic progression. This problem we have taken from GRE.MyPrepClub, and this is taken from their mini test 3. So let's try and solve the problem together. So sequence is given to us M1, M2, M3 all the way till M7. And in this sequence, each term is equal to succeeding term minus a constant d. And it is given to us that M2 plus M4 plus M6 is equal to 48. And we need to find the value of sum of M1, M3, M5 and M7. Now in this sequence, since each term is equal to succeeding term minus a constant d, that means M2 can be written as M1 minus d, M3 can be written as M2 minus d, which becomes M1 minus 2d. M4 can be written as M3 minus d, and it can be written as M1 minus 3d and so on. So you will notice a pattern that this number is actually this number minus 1. This number is this number minus 1. So we can rewrite M2 plus M4 plus M6 as M1 minus d plus M1 minus 4 minus 1d, which is 3d, plus M1 minus 6 minus 1d, which is 5d, is equal to 48, or 3M1 minus 9d is equal to 48. We can divide by 3 to have M1 minus 3d is equal to 16. Now let's see how we can rewrite M1 plus M3 plus M5 plus M7. So M1 becomes M1 itself, then M3 becomes M1 minus 2d, plus M5 becomes M1 minus 4d, plus M7 becomes M1 minus 6d. So this can be written as 4M1 minus 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12, so minus 12d, or 4 times M1 minus 3d. We know M1 minus 3d is 16, so this becomes 4 times 16, or will be equal to 64. So our answer will be 64 in this case. Hope you are able to understand how to solve this problem, and we look forward to sharing more videos with you next week. Thank you.